Hey y'all, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. We're continuing this series of Summer Boredom Busters for kids. And I have Create Art Within, another brand new box to the channel. Very excited because I'm trying to get a variety of options for you guys to check out. And this is a really unique and really cool art subscription for kids and or the family. And Art Within helps you build confidence through creativity. They make it fun and simple for beginner artists to make real art. The art projects are suitable for all skill levels, ages 6 and up. And so what I am loving about this is we are remodeling the oldest bedroom, but she has a wall that is going to be dedicated to art. And I was walking through like your stereotypical stores, your Target, your Home Depot, your Hobby Lobby, Lowe's has arts, At Home, whatever. And everything I was looking at just looked so mass produced. And I was just like, this is so not her. Cue a real art box where her sister, and her friends can paint their own art. We can put it on her art wall and then rotate it at our leisure. So like if she paints something and decides she doesn't like it, we can just paint another. And I think that is so perfectly her. But this box is really cool because they share each month's art project at the beginning of the month. So you can take a peek at it and decide if it's for you or not. They make it easy to skip the box if you need to. I am so excited to say that Art Within is a giveaway box. If you want to enter to win your very own Art Within box, you must like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then comment below and tell us why you love art. Are you someone who is a beginner wanting to get into art? Are you someone who used to have the passion, used to do art-based things, but kind of lost it? And maybe this is a great way to kind of get back into that creative outlet and flow. Or perhaps you're just trying to get your kiddos to engage with real art while having fun and maybe even a little bit of education in there. I will draw one name from the comments below to win your very own box. Fine print. You must be located in the United States and you must be over the age of 18 to enter to win. So Art Within box is a monthly subscription at $39 a month for the standard box, which is up to 2 artists. Perfect for my 2 girls. Or you can do $49 a month for the family art box, which is 4 artists. So a family of 4 kiddos, you decide. They do offer prepaid discounts. Shipping is free in the US, and if you use code PINK5, you get $5 off your first subscription. It comes with everything you need. So that is another thing that is great. I didn't want to have to be running around to buy things if like I didn't have that one color or that one brush. And they send everything. There's a lot more I want to share, but let's get the stuff in front of us so what I'm saying makes a little bit more sense. On top, there is a thank you card and 2 Art Within stickers. Yeah, these look like stickers. Perfect. 2 kiddos that each can have one. Of course, y'all have seen my sticker yeti. They've started their own versions. One has a sticker binder and another one's just collecting stickers in general. It's really cute. So they're going to love that. Okay, here's what I see on top. The pencil paintbrush pouch. I'm not sure. Canvases and paint. Everything looks great, like great quality. Let's dive in and touch and play a little bit. I looked at nothing, so I have no idea what the project is. I was totally not peeking at their social media. So inside here is some crinkle paper. Looks like just to kind of keep things from crashing around. 1, 2, 3, 4 paintbrushes that have different tips on them and 2 pencils. So I'm guessing this has something to do with the sketching. I don't know about you guys, but I use these paintbrushes all the time when I'm painting walls, like edging in or creating a custom piece, or if you're like working on a scallop or whatever, these like regular kid paintbrushes work great. So here are Artist Loft acrylic set of 12 paints. So I'm guessing these are the colors we will be using. Let's open this. I love art supplies. They're just so happy. And one of the things we did in my oldest daughter's bedroom in her remodel that we're doing is set her up a desk fully ready to hold all of her art supplies. So she'll love adding these in. Yeah, that's a great color palette. It's got all of your staples, but it's got some unique mixes in between. Very cool. All full size. And oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, I just assumed they would share those. There are 2 of them in here. 1 for each person. I just assumed that they would share paint. That's impressive. There are 2 canvases that are fully wrapped around the side and already
Sorry, could you say that again?
she's
I'm having trouble hearing you.
she's always up in our space when we're doing unboxings. Siri, no. So this is mounted on wood. So these are ready to be painted and then actually hung on a wall. Very, very cool about this. And I mean, I'm not an artist, right? This is not what I do. I have owned a luxury wedding photography studio for 15 years, so I have crossed a lot of art. And so, in my opinion, this is a great canvas. Not overly fancy that you don't want to give it to a kiddo, but not so cheap that you're like, well, this is never going to work. I think it's a really good middle ground. I don't know. I'll hold this up, and if you guys are maybe a little more savvy than me, you could see, but I'm impressed. Good quality. And oh my gosh, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 8x10 canvas panels here. And they do have the full panel where they can sign them on the back, and they are plastic wrapped, so they are protected and clean. And there are 4 of these in here. So let's see what we're actually painting. I haven't peeked, so I'm really, really curious. Art project instructions, the acrylic Van Gogh sunflowers. Oh my gosh. They are going to love to paint that. I was really hoping it would be something with some good history, but that is also still fun. And you can see this is their rendition, but they do give the history of the actual real art piece and what inspired it. The other thing they do is you can kind of decide your hands-on as a parent, like if you want to do this as a date night, like me and one of my daughters do this, or if both of their girls are going to do it. But you can scan here for a tutorial, and there's a full video tutorial that will walk you through how to do your art, which I think is really cool. It kind of still gives that like device time, like they get to be on devices, they get to have fun on their devices, but they're not like being on devices, if you know what I mean. Okay, then the next thing it has on here is a warm-up activity, and it has like how to do shapes. So like warming up, how to do shapes, and then it has them dive into their actual art project full with instructions here. And there's this and this, and these are all the instructions. Once again, there is still the video tutorial. And over here, I didn't show you this yet, is paper. So I'm guessing this has to do with the actual warm-up part of things. So let me flip over there. Wait. Warm-up activity. Practice mixing colors with acrylic paint on your palette paper. Gather your acrylic paint brushes and drawing paper. So I'm guessing this is paint paper. It's a waxy finish on top. And I'm guessing this is where they can use it like as a paint palette, but without having like the full plastic palette. You can put it on the paper and throw the paper away. I like that. That's super easy. I don't have to store anything. And then here's a bunch of art paper for them to actually start practicing strokes and movements. I want my kids to do this. Like I actually want to see this in action and show you guys in action. And I'm actually going to let them read the instructions and do it for themselves. So let me go grab them and let's make some art. One of the things that Art Within Box shared with me is that kids will explore different art projects each month to build skills and encourage creativity. The box is perfect for families looking to get creative kids or teens who need a good creative outlet. There are endless benefits of creativity, and Art Within makes it fun and simple for you. Hint, parents, this is a great way to keep kids busy this summer. Amen. You all are so right. Each art box comes with all the supplies you need, printed learning concepts with definitions and art history, simple step-by-step instructions, and a video tutorial for extra inspiration. Art Within is a women-owned business. One fun thing about these art projects is that everyone's art is unique. They break it down into simple steps for everyone to enjoy and young artists to have fun with, while older kids and teens can take time to build foundational skills. You'll typically have some art supplies left over so you can continue your creativity. Well, that was a huge success. The girls absolutely loved getting to paint all of the things. And as you can see, their interpretation of how sunflowers look is very, very different. I also have to say, that was really easy on me. Setup was easy, instructions were easy, and cleanup was easy. And they had a lot of fun. Honestly, I wasn't very involved. I did take advantage of their art project time and scampered back into my office to get a little bit of work done. And that part was really nice. Hey, wanted to pop back in real quick. This is not just a painting box. They have art boxes, printmaking boxes, mosaic boxes, torn paper collage landscapes, one coming up that is a collagraph printmaking project, and so many more. So if you are following along with the Summer Boredom Busters videos popping up, I'm still working on finding some more new boxes that we haven't covered before that are different from the other boxes I've shared. So if you're looking for a great kids book subscription, go check out Outpost. Amazing. If you're looking for a more interactive, hands-on option for your kiddos, I want you to check out Little Passports. You can watch that video up here. It's another great option. We did the USA like travel edition and the girls loved it. Once again, very hands-off, slightly educational while still having fun. And then of course now we have art. So if you subscribe to the channel, you're going to see these popping up. Hit the bell if you want the notifications for when I post. And you also can join our Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group. That is where I'm pulling the names of these boxes from the box request form. So you can join our private Facebook group, chat about boxes, share boxes that you're loving, requests for me to open boxes. It's a wonderful group over there. That link is down below in the description, as well as all the information about the box here. I hope that you guys are having a truly amazing summer. And if you subscribe to the channel, I'm going to see you later. Bye, y'all.